Hey guys, Let's Fans and More here, and in today's video I wanted to show you this new Hunter 52-inch Kennewick. Now this ceiling fan replaced our old Hunter 52-inch Oakhurst, and it's been giving us a lot of problems lately. One of them was it spins really slowly and it makes a lot of buzzing noises, and we are worried that either it will die soon, so we decided to replace it just because it seemed like very, not very safe to use. So we bought this one. This is part of their Sure Speed collections, and we replaced this like a couple weeks ago, and this is already a good one. Now it does come with light bulbs, but they were 3000K, and it made the room a bit too white with those colors mixed together, so we used the original bulbs. And it also came with new glass. It came with this clear glass, and we decided to just replace it with, we decided to use the existing glass because my mom likes the frosted look of it, the old look with the nice frosted glass, so we used that. And so we did do some experimenting with these glasses. One of them was we put them in one of our sconces that looked bad to get brighter light. And also, we thought maybe either we could donate, like, I'm not sure if we did this yet, but maybe we could even donate this to the Restore if we wanted to, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, here's the light. We got the light, well, and let's go ahead and turn it on low speed. Now the pole chains I actually shortened because I'm so tall that I accidentally keep rubbing my head against it, so I did shorten them. But anyways, enough talking, let's turn this on low speed. It's pretty quiet. Does push a good amount of air on me. Let's do medium. Do already feel good air from it. Now those blades are actually not reversible. They actually have white on the other side, and they say this side up, so you can't actually change which side the blades they face, and you can get them in multiple colors. We got them in white, but you can get them in nickel finish with wooden colored blades. Anyway, here's high. This is the part where it gets kind of noisy. Wow, it's so fast that I can feel tons of air from it. Way much better than our old one. Of course, you can have the light on as well. And the calendar is moving. It does push a good amount of air. And let's turn it off. And it'll give you a good little spin down with that. And so that will be it for this video, and Lights out.